Hi viewers, welcome to Agile IT Training Session 2. The topics are today only the installation part of Python. We will be doing installation in Red Hat. The time permits, we will do Ubuntu, and if time permits, we will do Windows, or otherwise I'll split the videos. So let's start with Red Hat. So in general, to install anything to these Linux distributions, the approach is more or less same. For example, for Red Hat, you need to install, first you need to download the latest packages from the repositories and install the latest package and install some of the latest packages to Red Hat. I mean, from the repositories, you are upgrading little bit the operating systems with the latest packages. That's it. The second option is you download the latest Python file from the python.org, and after that you need to configure and then install that zipped source. That's it. Finally, you set the path and test. Now let's go to the installation. The command cat so the Red Hat Enterprise Linux release 8.4 we are using. Let's see, already there is, nowadays in many Linux distributions are coming up with the default Python. Let's see, do we have any Python here? Well, there is already Python 3.6. Now Python 3.6, and if you run anything Python 3, it will work just like that. Okay, but when we are installing Python 3.10, that's what our objective is. So what we do, we first, as per the steps, update the packages. Sudo yum update finish. It will take some time. I will pause the video. All right, finally, after 10 minutes, the installation, the update of latest packages are done. So now we will be installing some of the dependent packages. So though we are elevating the level, privileges level of the current user, and then and we will start installing the following packages. So all these devel packages we need to install, including wget. Wget is one of the dependent packages. If this is not there, we can't download the Python file from the Python org. So definitely these are dependent. So I'll say yes. Yeah, it was very quick. So the installation, and then we will be installing development tools. It will take a while, so I'll pause the video. After almost 15 minutes, this is completed now. And now let us change the directory to source directory. Look, what is the current directory? The current directory is EC2 user, the home. So we will change because we are going to download the file to some source directory. So we will change it to source. So we are in the source directory. If you check this present working directory, it is source. In this place, we will download the latest version of Python. So where we can get the latest version, the python.org. Just python.org if you can go, then and if you can go to downloads, source code, and where you can see the latest version of the Python is this. Click here and go down. We need to get this location, zzipped source tarball. So copy this link location. That's it. Come back to this place and wget command, which we have installed already, and enter here. So, well, there's a problem. Oh yeah, okay. It did not copy. Copy the link. I copied. Oh yeah, it is there now. Okay, well, maybe earlier it is not properly copied. Now, sudo wget and paste this. So from this location, we are downloading the latest Python code in the ls. The moment when you download, you see that there is a file that is got created, Python 3.2.10 tz. This is what we are going to unzip it. So what will happen? There will be a folder or a directory will be created. TZZ. Okay, now if you list this and you see the if a folder or directory got created, just go inside. So now you are inside. So what is that? Now you need to configure. Configure with a parameter, enable optimization. It's installing. I'll pause this video. So yeah, it is done after 3 minutes of execution and make install. That's it. I'll pause the video. So there seems to be something wrong. So permission denied. The reason is that I did not elevate the level of the user and try to install. So now I must elevate the user level, sudo make install, and I'll do the installation once again. It will take some time. Well, this time after elevating the privileges, the Python installation is successful, and you can see the Python installation location as well. User local include Python 3.10 folder where we have given the folder path. Okay, now let us look the ls. So you have the Python here, and you are inside the Python folder. You are inside the Python, and you have the Python file as well here. So now let us test this. When I say Python 3 version, it will show the old one. Yes, correct, because this is the default version. It is there. When I say Python 3.10, it is shown very nicely. OK, so Python 3.10 version is shown and Python 3 version as well shown. Let us type Python 3.10. Now the Python environment is appearing. Now if you write the command print hello IGR world, Well, Python 3.10 is successfully working. So to double check further, now we are in the present working directory and create one file in the home directory. So the vi hello.py. Now let's run this file with Python 3. Python 3 hello.py. It worked. 10 worked very well. Yeah, that's it. So the installation is successfully done. Yeah, I used the following commands to install Python in Red Hat Linux. So I'm just adding this to the video as well. Well, that is end of the session 2.1 with only Red Hat Linux. We will continue Ubuntu in the next session. Thank you.